Welcome to RPG Maker News. I'm your host, Salik. And in today's news, we have a pack of 189 effects-year animations by Manu Gaming Creations and Komodo. An enemy battler of a dragon head by David Gare. A Chthonian by Mugi Mogu. A winged tiger and two-headed demon by Ujie Masala. A character art of a bespectacled female by Vending Machine. Stella Code, a font by Hisagi and Clover Steps. Taisa Font by Studio Kokyutosu. Noel the Mortal Fate, a well-reviewed RPG Maker game on Steam, is coming to consoles in February, specifically to Nintendo Switch, Xbox One and PlayStation 4. Buddy's Bone, a comedy game about helping a dog find his lost bone. Excalibarian, a traditional turn-based RPG about following in the footsteps of a legendary hero. The Fang, an action-adventure about a daring wanderer through his quest into the unknown. An icon pack of 50 pixel rings by Senpai Dano. 53 pixel art foods by Free Kaderin. A music pack of 5 Eldritch Odyssey tracks by Catchten 110. 8 tracks of Kings and Heroes RPG themes by Boris Sander. 6 tracks of experimental deep ambience by Makoto Hiramatsu. 4 Dream Pop New Year's Day themed tracks by Odze. 10 8-bit music loops by Seth. And 5 8-bit music tracks by Destiny Knight. An MV plugin by Niyatama that adds a playtime window to the menu screen. An MV and MZ plugin by PaletteCon that allows accessing shop in battles. An MV and MZ plugin by Mirai of Nikogakuen that stops the player from recording, live streaming, or capturing certain scenes from our game. An MV and MZ plugin by Awaya Matana that allows flipping or changing face while displaying text. A debug plugin for MV and MZ by Napi that allows checking item distribution on maps through developer console. Another MV and MZ plugin by Napi that allows opening a skill menu of a specific type and actor using plugin command. One more MV and MZ plugin by Napi that toggles a switch whenever message box is displayed and closed. An MV and MZ plugin by Takeshi Sunagawa that allows us to select specific frame to display from a sprite instantly. An MZ plugin by Meihiragi that allows erasing all pictures while excluding specific IDs. An MZ plugin by Hechi that runs a common event on equipment change. An MZ plugin by Basu that allows implementing linked skills between 2 or more actors. An MZ plugin that changes the maximum gold. Another MZ plugin that automatically applies word wrap to text. And another MZ plugin that allows setting random gold awards for each enemy. These 3 plugins were all by Drag and Plugin In. An easing module plugin for plugin developers by Theo Allen. An MV plugin by Konora ported to MZ by 68 Wolf that allows creating factions and tracking the player's reputation with each of them. A project template for MV and MZ by Call Me Carrigan of an evented VHS button sequence puzzle. Call Me Carrigan also made a detailed video tutorial on it. A project template by Kaz for an evented ocarina system, which is a music-related minigame. A background of a classroom by Cooplant. A tool for procedurally generating tilesets by Donitz. a sound effect pack for a platformer game by SigmaSuccour, and 10 8-bit sound effects by Seth, a sprite pack of hip-hop characters by Crudy, a sprite of an animated COVID boss by Cooley, and a sprite pack of Tall Knights by Pain Ratio, a tile set of a castle set by Avery, cupboards, shelves and church decorations by Starbud, a foliage pack tile set by Idlewild, modern exteriors by Limezoo, a legendary palace of a chimera by Cocoa Reflections, isometric pixel pine trees by Pistachio, pretty little pixel interior by Echo, modern city tiles by Wispy V, a tile set pack of fortress ruins by Cocoa Reflections, an article tutorial by Avery on making characters walk over and under a bridge, another article tutorial by Avery detailing few mapping tips, and lastly, a video tier list of RPG Maker YouTubers by The Realtron. And that is all for the past 2 weeks. Go back to game making now.